This robot can learn like a human, neural networks. Robots that can learn like humans are no longer just a dream of the future. Thanks to neural networks, artificial systems inspired by the human brain, machines are now capable of learning from experience, adapting to change, and even improving themselves over time. This marks a major breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence, AI. What are neural networks? Neural networks are algorithms designed to mimic how the human brain processes information. These networks are made up of layers of nodes, similar to neurons, that work together to analyze input and produce an output. The more layers a network has, the deeper and more powerful its learning ability becomes. This is often referred to as deep learning. Unlike traditional programming, where machines follow set instructions, neural networks enable robots to learn patterns from data. For example, instead of being told how to recognize a cat, a robot can be shown thousands of images and gradually learn what features define a cat, like fur, ears, or eyes. How robots learn like humans. A key method robots use to learn is backpropagation. This involves adjusting internal settings whenever the robot makes an error, much like how humans learn from mistakes. Over time, the robot improves its performance without being reprogrammed. Another powerful technique is reinforcement learning, which rewards a robot for correct actions and penalizes it for wrong ones. For instance, a robot learning to walk will stumble many times, but with each successful step, it gets closer to mastering balance, just like a toddler learning to walk. Real-world example: Sophia the robot. Sophia, the humanoid robot developed by Robotics, is a popular example of AI in action. She can hold conversations, recognize faces, and express emotions. Her abilities are powered by neural networks that allow her to understand language and interact meaningfully with humans. Sophia's intelligence grows over time. Her system analyzes each conversation, identifies key patterns, and uses that information to improve future interactions. This makes her responses feel more natural and human-like. Robots that evolve over time. Companies like Boston Dynamics are building robots that adapt to new environments. Using neural networks and reinforcement learning, these robots can walk on uneven terrain, recover from falls, and perform complex tasks. Unlike older robots, they don't need to be reprogrammed every time the environment changes. They learn and adjust on their own. This ability to learn from the environment makes robots more useful in areas like disaster response, space exploration, and healthcare. Challenges and ethical considerations. As robots become more intelligent, we must consider the ethical implications. Will robots replace human jobs? How do we ensure they make fair and safe decisions? Should robots that learn and behave like humans be given rights? These are important questions. Experts suggest that the goal should not be to replace humans, but to create intelligent tools that assist and enhance human life. Robots can take over repetitive or dangerous tasks, allowing people to focus on more creative and meaningful work. A new era of intelligence. The combination of neural networks, machine learning, and robotics is opening doors we never thought possible. We're entering a new era where robots don't just do, they think, adapt, and learn. In the coming years, we'll see robots in homes, hospitals, factories, and even in classrooms, learning alongside humans and helping us solve complex problems. The line between human and machine intelligence is starting to blur, and the future looks both exciting and full of potential. Like and subscribe.